Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Maimo smartwatch with the Maimo Fit app on an iOS device. You can also watch the previous video to see how to connect it with an Android. So, let's begin here immediately. We have the Maimo smartwatch and let's see how to connect it. You can download the app by searching for it in the App Store if you know it. But if you don't, you need to find the QR code for the app which it uses. So, what we're going to do now is take our phone and scan it. After we have scanned it, will show us a link that sends us to Safari, then the App Store. And here we have the Maimo Fit app which we can download and connect to our watch. So, we are going to download it really fast right now, and after we have done so we're going to go inside and see how to connect our watch. So now that the app is done, let's open it up and see what's inside. First it will ask permission to use Bluetooth, which we're going to allow, and then it's going to ask you to accept the service agreement and privacy policy, so we're going to agree. Then it will ask you to select your current region, and after we've chosen our region it will show you the login or sign up page where we can create an account using Google, Facebook or Apple, or log into our existing one. After we've logged in, we can go inside. Now that we're inside, we're going to go into the device option and click on Add Device, where we also need to choose the model of the watch. Then it will start to look for your device by scanning nearby devices. And after it is found it, you can click on it and it will start to pair with your device, and it will send a request on your watch as you can see here, so we're going to accept, and now we have a successful bind. After we binded, the app will also ask permission to use our location so it can work more properly, and also to send notifications, which we're going to allow, and then choose which notifications we want the app to send. After that, we're all ready to get into the app and see some of the options it has inside. The first option we can see is Watch Face, where we can change the profile or face of our watch. Here we have our own faces and the online faces, which let us choose from a different variety of watch faces, with different categories, and you can choose whichever you like best, and if you want one you need to download it. Let's try one and see for ourselves. We can download it and then it will change our watch face immediately. Next, we've got individualization, where we can further personalize our watch-like widget, where you can change the widgets on your watch based on which ones you want to be shown, and we can rearrange however we want. As you can see here, after we've done the changes we wanted, it has changed them instantly into the device. Next, we've got workout list, where we can choose which of the workouts we want the watch to track, and we can choose from 13 different workouts, and any change that we do will directly be mirrored into the watch. Next, we've got health monitoring, where we can turn on continuous tracking on heart rate so we can get better results and better readings, reminders over excessive heart rate stress, pressure monitoring, and reminders to drink water and stand up and walk, like a sedentary reminder. Next, we've got notifications management, where you can choose which apps from your phone can send you notifications and which can't, so you can choose based on what apps you use and want notifications from, or if you want you can turn them off altogether. After that, we've got weather, where we can turn on weather synchronization and mobile location services so we can look at the current and upcoming weather at our current location. Next, we've got the user guide, where it shows all the information you need on how to use every option inside the app. And on the bottom, we've got additional settings, where we can find options like word stock updating and check for actual module updates and see if we've got the latest version on our device, and also the About Device option, where it shows all the information about our device. On our bottom right, we've got the Me button, where we've got the target setting to set our targets that we want to achieve, and also personal info, where we can put our own personal info like age, height and weight, so the device can make more accurate measurements. Also third-party login and third-party services where we can connect Apple Health and sync the data that it already has in app settings. And last, on the home button we've got the health monitoring options where you can track every activity you have done while wearing your watch and other health data, like for example steps, where you can see all the data that it's gathered on how many steps you've done, how many calories have you burnt, and your average steps daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. And you can also look at all the exercises you have done and how much energy and time you have spent doing them. We also got heart rate to see our data about our heart rate and look for any problems that we might have had in our average heart rate by continuous monitoring. We can also see our stress levels, energy levels, sleeping routines, SpO2 for oxygen in our blood, and all these health monitoring options where you can see all the data which your watch has sent and gathered from monitoring you. You can also see every record daily, weekly, monthly and yearly, and see all your averages, your time exercising, and all the exercises you've done. And you can also rearrange them however you want. So, this is pretty much it on the Maimo Fit app, how to connect and what to expect inside. It's a great and really easy app to use, and it works really well. This was all for today's video. You can also watch the previous one on how to connect your watch with Android. I really hope you enjoyed and found this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.